Hi, welcome back to CMG Aura Space Trading Channel. If you are here, this episode is a follow-up on Memefi wallet connection. So this will be part 2. So in part 1, we saw the connection to the wallets integrated in Memefi. I told you they were not doing external wallet connection, right? So that was the initial video and everything was done, right? If you check down here, we have 5 tabs: the boosters, stats, earn, invite, and then a wallet. So under the wallet, if you have not done the wallet, this is what is under the wallet, right? If you open yours and you have not done it, you see connect wallet or log into wallet, right? So how do you go about this particular first task? Is by watching the part 1. So I'll put the video description, the link in this video description. So you follow that. It's not difficult to do. It's very easy, and everything is done inside the mining site, the mining site of Memefi, right? So after doing that, let's look at a follow-up. So this follow-up is something that is done. If you check in this particular interface, this screen, you see something like L linear network. Then below that you see total balance. Then your figure will be there: deposit, withdraw, ETH, H, and Memefi, right? So there's a follow-up that we have to do. This actually is a preparation towards the listing. I know if you don't do this things, the reason why I've been following up and doing this, because if you don't do this thing as soon as possible and the listing date is due, you will find yourself wanting. And for that matter, nobody will be available to help you. You will be devastated. One sad thing will be that you put in effort to do this things, and when is the listing time, withdrawing will become a problem, right? So this is what you have to do. So this is part 2. So it's like if you have read from the pages, there's something called linear network. So a linear network is, I think, something that they have partnered with, right? You see, in every withdrawal, in fact not every airdrop, but most of the mining sites, after doing that, on their listing date, there's something that we call a gas fee. So a gas fee is what you pay, the transaction fee. Let me put in that sense where everyone will understand. For doing a transaction, withdrawing from one point to another, or doing a swap, there's something you have to pay, a charge, right? And so that charge is being on the network that you are withdrawing, or yes, your coins or whatever, your money to, right? So that is what we are doing. And then I think their partnership is the linear network, right? So you are going to, but your gas fee will be paid through the linear network, right? So that is, so they even recommended on their site that you should at least get some linear in your wallet. You buy at least 1 or 2, I don't know, I don't remember the amount, but at least you should have 1. So if you don't have 1 now, you can make preparation towards that. You buy it and put it there. So when it's time for the withdrawal, that will be your charge or your fee, right? Now, so in preparation towards that, this is what we have to do. CMG is finding a solution to making things easier so that you don't be caught unaware, right? So this is the preparation that we are going to do towards that. So if you check on this screen, beside the linear network, there's this setting button, right? Setting button here, just on the right is a setting. So here you click that, right? Now bear in mind, before you do this, it means that you have done the part 1. If you have not done this, you won't see this this thing here. You won't see this interface. The only thing you see was connect or log in to the wallet, right? So after doing that, you come here, right? So it means that you have your passphrase or your seed phrase. So this is what is happening here. Now, if you have this, the next thing to do is to download this wallet, right? Let me go back to the screen. Wallet called Phantom, right? download this wallet. It's called Phantom. Check the icon, how the icon looks like. Beside the Tone Keeper, there are the two items on top. So Tone Keeper and then Phantom. So download the Phantom. After downloading the Phantom, what do? You sign up. Any verification that you have to do, just do that, and then you'll be good to go. So this is what you have to do. Now, after doing this, right, and having this wallet set up, right, let's go back once again to our screen. Let me go back. Yes, the screen. You see the wallet under the bottom left, right, the bottom right, the wallet there once again. You see. So you click that. I once again at the setting button, settings, yes, but settings button, you click that. So this is what we have to do. Now let's go. Yeah, there's something you have to do, right? So hold on. Yes, so on this screen you see click to review phrase and then view private key. So our target here is to what? View and then copy this private key. We are going to import this private key into the Phantom wallet, right? Because it's a secret thing, I'm going to pause this video, copy, and then go and paste it in that wallet, right? So when you get to that side, I'll show you how we are going to do this. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to view my the private key and then copy, and then I'll take it back to the Phantom wallet. So that's what I'm going to do now. A minute. Yeah. So if you have copied, if you have viewed, if you click the view private key, that key phrase will be shown to you. You copy, right? There's a copy, click copy button there. If that is not working, just select the phrase itself, right? Select all and then copy. So after copying, we move back to the Phantom wallet, right? So if you move back to the Phantom wallet that you have, on top there, you see my name there. I've just done mine now. I just did it before coming back to this screen. Initially, if you start at the start of this video, it wasn't done. So I just did because of the secret phrase there, because I tried to find a way around it to show it to you, but still the phrase was showing. So I just did it now that I'm doing the video. So if you are back to the Phantom wallet, you see at the top there, I just did that. You see Cosmo there. Initially it was wallet, the default wallet. So you just click on that particular wallet, right? So initially you can see that initially the main wallet was account 1. So I just did this one now. If you were following from the beginning, you realize that inside the Phantom it was only account 1. So I just did this one just to protect my key phrase or my private key. So with that being said, you come down at the bottom there, you see add or connect to wallet, right? Add or connect to wallet. Click that one. If you click it, you see some items in a list view. You see create new account, connect hardware wallet, import secret recovery phrase. Then you see import private key. Then you see watch address. So here you click the last but one item, which is import private key. If you realize that from the Memefi site, it was private key. So you click that, right? On this screen you see Solana, right? Select item. You see name and then you see private key. So our focus is private key. Now before you copy whatever you have to copy, you see at the top there, click this list view, right? Drop down item. Of course, now you see Solana, that's the default item, Ethereum, Polygon, and then Bitcoin. So select what? Ethereum. So after selecting Ethereum, you can, the name is subjective, whatever you want to put there, you can put it there, any name at all. So mine, you can see that I made it Cosmo, right? Whatever you want, you can do that. any name. Then here you come and paste the private key that you copied from the Memefi site. You paste it there. After pasting there, then you follow the prompt. You follow you hit import. Then you just follow the prompt. It's easy. It's easy. Self-explanatory, right? So that's what you have to do. After doing that, this is what you see. So after doing mine, this is mine, right? So it's as simple as that, right? So this is actually like a mirror, because whatever you have, the coins that you have at the Memefi mining site in Telegram, you can't do anything to it there. You can, what you have to do, if in fact at the lesson time, the main purpose of this is to withdraw your coins and enjoy. So in the Telegram, you can't do anything with it, but here you can actually do things with it. So this is an actual wallet. Let me call it that way, an actual wallet. So with that being said, whatever will be done is like this. Actually is like a mirror to that Memefi site. So whatever coins you have there will be reflected here, right? We have it here displayed here. So that is it, right? So I think this is easy to understand. So if you have any, in fact, this is what I have to be doing. So watch this video slowly, step by step, and then you'll be good to go. So first of all, try and watch part 1 and then come back to this. So that will be it for today. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check in this video description for exciting goals on FX, and then mining gigs, and then education on financial and then the financial markets. Right. So ciao for now.